You can see a beautiful bird on the branches of a tree at the DLF Galleria. You can hear its sounds. Observe this bird carefully. It is black, but it has an amazing. See, it is sitting on the branches of the tree. Cool breeze is blowing in the new town area right now, and if I turn this camera, you can see the DLF galleria building. It's so beautiful. Now observe each tree carefully. This is a great place to move around. You can see these beautiful plants. You can see the mimosa pudica leaves, which are moving in the air. Gentle breeze is blowing. See, just observe the beauty of this DLF galleria. Now as I walk, see the time of the tower is 8:50. Now see this beautiful DLF galleria. It's an amazing structure. Large number of corporate sector companies, MNCs have their offices at DLF galleria. Now observe these beautiful trees. Their edges have been trimmed, and a beautiful breeze is blowing. Today the weather is absolutely great. As you can see, the surrounding of this DLF galleria is cleaned regularly. It is well maintained, and you can see the sky. It is so blue, and it's amazing, awesome. Watch this. See, the pigeons are flying, and see this beauty. DLF galleria. The architect must have been brilliant. You can see the birds there in the sky. This is another building.